day 3 at the Paris Air Show in Le-Bourget. We took a further look at some of the equipment on display by the French Ministry of Defense.
So the system is an anti-aircraft coordination center. Is employed in the French Air Force. So for the French Air Force, the employment is very specific, and our job is to perform the coordination of all the weapon system of the French Air Force, the GBAD. So we can connect to this system the SAMP. So this is a medium-range air defense weapon system, and the Crotal new generation, short-range air defense system.
This helicopter is a Tiger HAD. It's a helicopter of attack and destruction, and its main mission are support fire, attack, destruction, and also escort of a convoy. Tiger has been deployed in all missions of the French Army, mainly in Africa.
The Rafale behind me is configured for air-to-ground strike and also air-to-air combat. He has been engaged in combat in Mali, in Libya, and more recently in Iraq.
This is a SAMP-Mamba system. It's the main component of the French ground-to-air defense. The main capacity of this system is you can cover 360 degrees all around you, and you can engage all types of targets.
So I present to you the helicopter NH-90 in its version designed for the Navy, called NHF for NATO frigate helicopter. It was the first aircraft designed with fly-by-wire controls in an helicopter that provides him with a large maneuverability and agility.
The Israeli defense industry is one of the largest foreign presence at this year's Paris Air Show.